In this video, I will show you how to count total characters in a range of cells in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here, in this Excel sheet, I have some cells containing text values. We can calculate the total characters in an individual cell using the len function. The len function, also known as the length function, returns the total number of characters in a text or string. It accepts only one argument, that is the text whose length we want to find. To count the total number of characters in a cell, we can write a formula like this. As you can see, we now have the count of characters of all the cells. Now, there are two options to count characters in this range of the cells. The first option is to use the sum function to add all these individual cell character counts like this. This will give us the total number of characters in the range of the cells. However, there is an easier formula to do that using the sum product function. Let's type an equal sign to start the formula. Now type sum product and an opening bracket. Type len followed by an opening bracket and select the range of the cells as the argument. Type the closing brackets for both of the functions. Here, the len b3 to b5 part of the formula returns an array of 3 items containing 3, 5 and 4. These are the number of characters in each cell in the given range. We can easily verify that by pressing the F9 key on the keyboard. The sum product function then adds each element of this array to calculate the total number of characters in the range. Watch this video to learn how to count cells less than a number in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.